Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on the Settings button from these different options that appear. To continue temporarily deactivation process, tap on Account Ownership and Control button. Go to the Deactivation and Deletion section. Make sure Delete Account section is marked and tap on Continue to Account Deletion button. You can choose one of these reasons about why you are deleting your Facebook account. Then tap on Continue to Account Deletion button again. Before you delete your account, you can download your post archive by tapping on Download Info button. After that, tap on Delete Account section and deleting of Facebook account process will be completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.